Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video we're going to continue our card game, and in this video we're going to add a package so when we go through it we can have something printed to our console. So to do that, first we have to come over here, right click, 2D object sprites. Let's choose square. Yes, let's name it package. After we name it, let's change its color so that it will be more attractive. Something like purple. Yes, yeah, you can see it here. Also, let's put order in layer for 1 so that it can be on the road, not in the back of the road. So how to do that? So first of all we have to add the tag. In Visual Studio Code we want to call it, we'll call it by tag. So I have already created one tag package called package by add tag. I will just choose it. Also, we have to change our collision script's name to delivery. So all you do is just change it here and then come to a script and write it here also. So in the next lecture we're going to write if statement in here so that when we pass through it we can have something printed. So this is all for this video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.